Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. Go to your Google Sheets app on your phone, and I have opened my Google Sheets app, and I also have prepared my table right here, and we're going to make a chart from this table. So we have to select this table like this. We can click and hold on the table and we can drag it down. Let's practice it one more time. We have to click and hold on the table and drag it. Alright, after that we can click on this plus button. Then there will be several options for us, and we have to choose chart since we want to make a chart. And alright, now the chart has been created, and that's so easy, right? And if you want to change the type of the chart, you can click on this type option, and you can choose the type of the chart that you like. And wait for a moment. If you want to put legend, you can simply click on this legend option, and you can also put titles, or you can change the color of the chart, and you can explore it by yourself, guys. And that's how we can create a chart in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.